We're going to have a quick look at the Teams integration with Compucare. There's a few things to note in regards to the setup for this. If we go to our global settings, there's a new option called third-party scheduling settings. We can see here that it gives us the option to sign into our Azure Active Directory. This does need to be an admin account to make this work. And then it gives you a few options to accept and continue. Once we've done that, you can see that there's a toggle now here to enable Microsoft Teams scheduling. If we toggle that to yes, we get a few extra options as well. We have our meeting organizer. This would be the account whose calendar will be used to set up the appointments. It will also be the from email address that will be sent to the patients as well. We have the meeting subject format. This is the title of the event as well as the email subject that's sent to the patient. There are some wildcard options that can be used for the patient name and patient ID. There's curly bracket 0 for patient ID and curly bracket 1 for patient name. We just set that up and that should say the patient name when that's sent to them. And we have the invite email template as well. This currently works off of the outpatient SMS templates. And there's a toggle here to send meeting invites to clinicians. This will copy in the clinicians with their email addresses. If this is set to no, they still have the option to join into the consultation via the outpatient booking screen. And this is a simple sign out option to close out of it. If we save that now, the next thing that we need to consider is the contact types. So if we go to our contact types and edit one that's been set up already, I have my Teams video consultation. Once I've done all of the previous setup, I'll have a toggle come available on my contact types for schedule Microsoft Teams video consultation. I've got this toggle to yes. This is linked to our outpatient bookings. So I've saved that now, and let's go and add this to an outpatient booking and we can see how it all ties together. So I'm going to create a new booking, select my patient, my episode of care. I'm just going to set my clinician as myself at the moment. And here on the right hand side is the important section. We have an is face-to-face toggle. We want this to be set as no. Once we do that, we get the contact type become available and we can choose our Teams video consultation. We select save here and this will then get picked up by the Compucare 8 service and fire off that email to the patient and the clinician dependent on the toggles that have been set up. So I should have received that email now. If I flick over to my emails, we can see here outpatient booking with my patient's name, and I've also got the option to join the Microsoft Teams meeting from here as well. This will be the same layout that is sent to the clinician. Should you have that toggle set to off though, if we go back to Compucare, you can see here at the top of the page there is the option for Teams consultation, or if we right click here, we do get the option to join Teams consultation. If you need any further information on the individual setup, we have articles on our knowledge base, or you can contact our help desk.